It's really handy to be able to write if statements. And we're going to see how to do that in Power Query. Here we have a list of candidates, their scores for their portfolio and their overall application package. And in order to get an interview, the next step, they need at least 13 total points. Now let's have Power Query calculate this for us. Cursor in the data set, and then data from table/range. Now I want to point out, why are we going to write an if statement? We could do this by adding conditional columns, but we can't do math in a conditional column. So we've got to write a formula at some point. And then we would also need several conditional columns. So we're going to go ahead and just write the formula. Add column, custom column. Decision is going to be the name of this new column, equals. Now with if statements in Power Query, we have to think if, then, else. So if, then space, portfolio score plus application package score. So I double clicked both of those. Space are greater than or equal to space 13, then interview, else decline, double quotes. Look down at the bottom. No syntax errors have been detected. That is wonderful. Let's click OK. Now we can see candidate 7 is a decline because 6 and 5 add up to 11. And candidate 9, 18 points. And it says interview. Perfect. So again, when we're doing if statements, you have to think if, then, else.